Handwriting recognition is an excellent tool to turn your handwriting into text on your smartboard and in your Smart Notebook software. Smart Notebook has the text pen, which allows you to do dynamic handwriting recognition as well as text editing. So I'm going to pick up a pen and show you how. So I've got a pen right here. My pen tools came across the top. I choose a pen and I'm going to go down the text pen. And now whatever I write is a text pen. And I'm in black ink right now, so that'll be fine. So I'm just going to write a sentence. The dog sleeps. And yes, I have terrible handwriting. You see that in a moment, it'll change it to the dog sleeps. And that's what I said. So now it's text that can't be erased. So I'm going to add an adjective to this page and to this sentence. And to do that, I'm going to draw a little caret between the and dog. When I drew a little caret, it gave me a little box to write in. And we're going to say the lazy dog sleeps. It gives me some options along the bottom. See, it kind of thinks my Z and my Y could be a capital letter. The first ones I choose, I press check, and that put in the lazy dog sleeps. But there needs to be a space between the and lazy. A simple line down will create a space. So now, maybe I want to change a word and change dog or sleeps to a different word. So I'm going to become a red pen this time, and let's make it the dog into a cat. So I circle the word dog. It gives me that spot to write in, and I can write cat. Okay. So then I press check mark and it replaced dog cat. Notice it did it in red. And again, I'll draw a line down to make that space. If I want to get rid of a word, I can cross it out completely. So maybe I want to get rid of the adjective lazy. As I just strike a line through it, it got rid of the word lazy. So I use the text pen for handwriting recognition and then for some dynamic grammar editing within the text itself.
Sign up for a basic account at opd.tech.com for more great smart skills videos.